Hey guys, doing a little quick video on a vegetable I'm making, and it's zucchini and beautiful fresh carrots, and I sauteed them in a little bit of lard. I steamed the carrots initially and got them to an al dente, a little softer than al dente, and then salt, pepper, and some garlic. But I started the zucchini earlier, seasoned, lard, sauteing to brown. And also, I'm going to turn this off. Also, I put a covering on. Simple covering. You can have a regular cover, but one of those non-stick pans. And I'm trying to get, you can see the smoke a little bit? That's adding some flavor, right? And the sugar in the carrots, when they brown, boy, adds a nice flavor. So, caramelized. You've heard that term before, caramelized. So, getting a little bit of flavor on the zucchini, which is now tender. The carrots, I helped out with a steam and got them nice and tender. Now I'm browning them a little bit. Delicious. What a healthy vegetable, guys. You don't use too much fat. You can see there's no puddling of any sort, just enough to cover and to allow myself to get a little browning going. I could brown them more. It's almost like doing them in the oven, but what a vegetable. So here's a veggie idea for you. Again, steam the carrots. I quarter the fresh zucchini, baby zucchini. Look at that. See, there's your flavor right there. Okay, and healthy vegetables. I'm having this for my lunch snack. Anyhow, guys, just wanted to share this with you. Enjoy. Thanks. Bye.